So today's topic will be energy and environment. The energy production and energy transmission and energy utilization. This is closely affecting this environment or relating with the environment. Mostly energy, the environment is degrading. So we have to use the sources of energy such that it should not affect the environment, it should not degrade the environment. It can be in the electricity production side or in the usage side or in the transmission side. Energy and the environment have always been and will continue to be closely linked. Okay. All energy is at bottom either derived or captured from the environment around us. Once used, it is eventually returned to the environment as a harmless byproduct, or more often than not as harmful emissions or waste. Today, world energy consumption contributes to pollution, environmental deterioration, and global greenhouse emissions. To this end, the renewable energy sources can play an important role in controlling and reducing environmental impact. Energy management includes planning and operation of energy production and energy consumption units, as well as energy distribution and storage. It is connected closely to environmental management, production management, logistics, and other established business functions. Definition of environmental degradation. Environmental degradation is defined as the deterioration of the environment through depletion of resources such as air, water, and soil, the destruction of ecosystem, and the extinction of wildlife. Degradation occurs when Earth's natural resources are depleted. It can be the air, water, or soil. It also means that the loss of biodiversity and the loss of natural resources in an area. It is a serious threat to the lives of people, animals, and plants. Types of degradation. Soil erosion caused by water, wind, ice. Deforestation, loss of biodiversity, that is due to pollution, urbanization. You can see the world primary energy consumption. Over the period they've given, the x-axis you can see the year, y-axis millions tons of oil equivalent they've given. The bottom, the first one is oil and biofuels. So this is slowly it is increasing, and after 2030 it is slightly declining. So till 2030, 25 it is increasing trend. So take the natural gas, the second. Over the period, the usage is increasing. After 2025, it may decline in the future. So take the coal consumption, third. Till now, the coal is a leading source in spite of its environmental pollution, harmful emissions. Over the period, the usage of the coal-based source is increasing, and in the near future also, it seems it will continue. Okay, it is not decreasing. Then nuclear power over the period, you see it is slowly it is increasing and it will increase. In some country, they are going for 100% nuclear power. Our country, the fear factor is there, so we will not increase the nuclear. But in some countries, they are going for 100% nuclear, and they're confident in the technology wise for the safety reasons. Hydropower, you see, gradually the hydropower is increasing. It is not going to decrease, but the addition will be very slow because the water availability is keep decreasing. So we cannot go for a new hydropower plant. But in some countries, wherever is water resource is possible, as it is clean energy and has some other benefits also, it won't decrease. It will maintain its share. Next comes wind and solar. See, wind and solar around 2000 only it is around it is picking up, but it is increasing very rapidly. The increase is very rapid. In future, it will increase further and that will dominate. Presently, the coal-based is dominating, oil and biofuel is also dominating now because we are not only taking the source for energy, electricity production, we are also taking for the automotive industry. But in the future, the wind and solar is drastically it is improving. It is mainly due to the renewable in nature. All people, the UN and in SDG also, all people are promoting the renewable source. So this two is leading in the renewable source category. Then geothermal, biomass and other, if you see, it is increasing and that will be less compared to other sources. So this is the overall the trend for the energy sector, the energy consumption, how over the period it has come and how it may go in the future.